So hey guys, what's up? It's your host Mr. Master, like always. I'm back with a new amazing video once again, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you could check your Android battery while your device is on charging. So you really don't have to tap your device again and again to check the battery. So this was a small fix for myself. So I hope giving this title is, of course, the best thing. Yeah. So what you need to do is, guys, simply not a big thing you have to do. Is just go ahead to your Google and type "Find My Device." This is a small thing which you have to do, and once you're here, yeah, so this is the my device. So just go ahead and click on find my device and make sure that your device is currently connected to your internet. Sorry for that sound. Yeah. Yeah, so what you need to do is make sure that once you, as you could see, my device is connected to my Wi-Fi itself, and as you could see, my battery is 74. And if I refresh it, oh, yeah, so if I refresh it, as you could, so it's playing sound. Yeah, if I do it again, yeah, that sound. So yeah, as you can see, if I refresh it, you can currently see your battery percentage, and at the moment my battery percentage is of course the same only. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this small video is really helpful, and just go ahead, don't watch this video, just go ahead and check it by yourself itself if that really works. So not only that, you can do for the other device also. So this was my old device, currently it's unavailable, but yeah. So that's it, thanks for watching this video. I hope this small video is really helpful, and if yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is your host Mr. Master. See you in my next video, signing out.